Introduction to Classical Tibetan, Lesson 6-3, Interrogative and Indefinite Pronouns. Interrogative pronouns indicate that a question is being asked. In Tibetan, there are four main interrogative pronouns. Gang, meaning what or who with respect to persons. Chi or ji, which both mean what or how with respect to things. And su, meaning who. There are also chi tsam, meaning how much or how many, and nam, meaning when. These pronouns are usually placed right before the verb in a sentence. Gyumsen gang yin means what is the reason. Dewe gyu ni chi yin, what is the cause of happiness. Lama di su yin, who is this lama? Interrogative pronouns are frequently seen with certain particles depending on the role that they play in a sentence. We can make several different types of questions based on the particles that are attached to each of these interrogative pronouns. For example, with a connector particle, we can say gangi or sui to mean whose or of what or of whom. With the agentive particle, it becomes by what or by whom, respectively. These pronouns with the source particles mean from what or from whom. Gangle, gangne, sule, chine, chile, and so on. And with the ladun particle, gangla can mean to what or where, while sula means to whom. Chila or chir means to what or also why. The sentence de su gangpa yin is literally that is the house of whom. So we could translate this more naturally into English as whose house is that? Kong ni gang la jo is literally he or she goes to where? Where is he going? Remember that it's important to understand the function of every particle in a sentence. Sometimes it's easier to start by translating each word and particle literally, and then attempt to make a more natural sounding translation of the sentence as a whole. Interrogative pronouns are commonly found along with relative clauses. This is a structure that was inherited from Sanskrit texts and can be confusing when first learning Tibetan. When used in this way, these pronouns are called relative pronouns and mean things like that, which, who, and so on. We'll go over that a bit later, but for now, it's just something to keep in mind. Indefinite pronouns are formed by adding either shik or yang to one of the interrogative pronouns. For example, gang shik means someone or something. Gang yang means whatever, whoever, anyone, and so on. When indefinite pronouns occur with a negative verb in a sentence, their meaning is translated as nothing or no one. For example, Rit du su yang medo. Ritut means mountain hermitage. So this sentence says, there is no one in the mountain hermitage. Ritu is marked with the do form of the la particle, in the mountain hermitage. Me is the negation of yu, and su yang is the indefinite pronoun. Let's try one more. Dele gang yang me do. Here, dele means apart from that. Gang yang usually means whatever or anything. So literally we can translate this sentence as, apart from that, there does not exist anything. Although it feels a little bit easier to say in English, apart from that, there is nothing.